Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. This is Mariam Sajjad with international news around the world. FIA exposes gang involved in credit card fraud with over 60 citizens. The Federal Investigation Agency has exposed a gang comprising of bank and courier company employees who were involved in credit card fraud with over 60 citizens in Karachi. Lowest number of COVID deaths recorded in 8 months. The lowest number of deaths and cases of coronavirus infections was reported on Tuesday in the country for over 8 months. Citizens complained of errors in COVID 19 vaccination data. These are human errors and will be rectified if people contact us, says NIH official. Biden's reluctance in engaging Pakistan stunning, says US Senator. A senior US Senator on Tuesday described American President Joe Biden's reluctance to reach out to Prime Minister Imran Khan as stunning and warned that ignoring Pakistan while withdrawing from Afghanistan could lead to a disaster. 6 killed as army militia clash in Myanmar. 4 protesters and at least 2 officers were killed as Myanmar soldiers battled an anti-junta civilian militia with small arms and grenades in the country's second city on Tuesday, authorities and military sources said. Afghan war closed, US had decided to overthrow Taliban regime a month before 9/11. Even a month before the 9/11 attacks, the US administration under President George Bush had finalized a strategy to overthrow the Taliban regime by using direct action. Abu Dhabi opens up free COVID 19 vaccines to tourists. Abu Dhabi, the capital of United Arab Emirates, is offering tourists free COVID 19 vaccinations that were previously restricted to UAE citizens and residency visa holders. People without vaccine or immunity in Russia will have limited work options. People who were not vaccinated against COVID 19 or did not have immunity would be unable to work in all workplaces in Russia, and that those people could be discriminated against. Colombia reaches 100,000 COVID 19 deaths. The news comes as South America goes through one of its toughest moments in the pandemic. Israel forces target Palestinian demonstrators in East. Israel police used stun grenades and sprayed skunk water on Palestinians overnight in the flashpoint occupied East Jerusalem. This is end of today's international news. Take care of yourself and stay tuned with CID News Network Islamabad.